Asari Dokubo captured in a video recruiting thousands of youth into his militant again. No be small thing o, as e be like this now, he say that he's going to face anybody unfaceable. I want make you watch the video, make you hear with your own ear wetin talk those wey wan go fight with these men wey dey recruit. My people, as e be like this now, one of our brother don come outside come bring a solution of wetin the youth of Nigerians go do in order way for them to change Nigeria. Do you believe Nigeria can ever change? Okay, we are going to watch the video. My people, no be small thing happen for Umuaka yesterday. As we dey talk, they say that unknown gunmen went to the police station in Umuaka. You know their work for there now, but yesterday was unfortunate day for them. They lost 3 of their men inside that place and also lost 1 of the chain gun and also lost other 3 gun there. 3 people buy for inside that place yesterday. This thing happening in Umuaka in evening time, and we are getting some information that some policemen was also wounded, but it's not yet confirmed yet. We are waiting for more update on that particular incident that happened yesterday. Please, I'm going to bring the video of Asari Dokubo up for you to watch before we come back and proceed. Do not forget to follow our new page, very, very important, so that you will not be missing on our update. Stay tuned and watch this video before we come back and continue.
You hear me? Yes, sir! If anybody tell you say you go stay for River State, tell them say River State.
There's somebody wey dey punch.
Service state here. Nobody. If you don't think you are training serious, you are running up and down, you think that you can go there. In Nigeria, we have fought and fought and fought. Everywhere that people have run away, we are going to occupy it. One single mistake, some bandit came that they have surrendered. That they've surrendered and they've repented. They now put them inside our camp. They wake up in the afternoon and went and shot people in their homes where they were sleeping. Meanwhile, they don't contact their men, make them come. It was a bloody battle for about 2 days. We lost 6 men and had 20-something people injured. You have to be careful. We have rules, you have to obey our rules. Maybe they are not telling you. Maybe there are some people who collected money from you to come here. We don't collect money from anybody. If anybody collects money from you for you to come here, go catch and collect their money back. You hear me?
Yes, sir!
Important to SFS. That person has two. Anybody waiting for case, as you come, we collect money for your hand before.
Yeah, my wonderful people. Now, let me show you the video of waiting one Nigeria talk. Waiting they go do, how they go take defeat all those politicians and other one. Just watch the video before we come back and continue.
We begin by stoning the honorables. We stone with pure water. That is the beginning of the freedom.
All right, sir.
Do you ever think that they will just come and carry power and give to you? Power is not giving, power is taking.
That is what Tinubu
and
said.
It must be taken by force.
That is what Tinubu said.
You don't go and beg for power. You are negotiating. Who is going to give you? Even if I am the person sitting upon the wealth of Nigeria, do you think I will give you without a fight? There must be a fight before you can collect power. You don't just come and say you are going to court, you are following diplomacy. What diplomacy are you following? What diplomacy are you following? We voted for you. You won election. Everybody know you won election. but you could not defend the mandate of the people. You are supposed to come out, even if it will take your life. Let you die. Is it not better that you die? Peter Obi doesn't have legacy. He would have had legacy if he has fought and defended the mandate and become the president, or he fought and died. That is the worst thing to happen to a group of people, or any individual, or a village, or a country, is to make a weak man a leader. How can we, the youth, voted for you, Peter Obi, and you promise us that our own duty is to vote for you? And we will ask you, what if we vote and the people did not allow you to sit down? You assure us that you are going to force them, then you will sit down, and we have played our parts. We voted for you, you won the election. Even the Sant know who win the election. Even Tinubu testified that you won election, but you could not defend our vote. So I don't have anything to say.
What would he have actually done?
When the Supreme Court, when the tribunal gave the
truth is that Peter Obi doesn't love Nigeria because he's not willing to die for the country. Because if Peter Obi loves Nigeria, he'll be willing to die. But he doesn't willing to die. He's even afraid of arrest, minding his speech every time they issue threatening to him. And when you see, in fact, he's not a leader. I even regretted supporting Peter Obi. In fact, nothing carry all this thing. I know they talk again.
Okay.
And I know they talk again.
All right.
Nothing to talk again. We are waiting for them. Any day that can happen. We know for now we don't have a leader again because Peter Obi is no longer the leader. So we are waiting for a person that loves Nigeria genuinely. Somebody that is willing to die for the masses. Yes. Somebody that is willing to fight for justice. Yes. Peter Obi is not willing.
But he has taken the case further to the Supreme Court.
Take which case further to which Supreme Court? When you have seen the judgment of the tribunal and you are still going to Supreme Court, then we should wait.
At least there's still hope.
Who hope for what? Which hope? Hope that Supreme Court will do what? Sack Tinubu? For what? There is no hope. There is no need going to Supreme Court. She stop waiting in more.
So you are saying Peter Obi himself is weak?
He's a weak man.
A compromised leader?
I don't know, nothing to write about that man. He's just coming here and be talking nonsense. Go and verify, go and verify. Nothing to verify there. Just come and waste the time of the youth.
All right.
To tell you, as a Nigerian, I don't have much faith in Nigeria again, and I don't know what will become of my children, because the tribunal, the little hope we have, because they say the judiciary is the hope of the common man. You see where we are, so we are living in hopelessness. We don't know where our meal will come tomorrow, our next meal will come from. So this is the issue we have at hand. And if we don't begin to address this as a people, when we begin to live in nepotism, live in tribalism, you understand, we will live in religion, sentiment, and whatever you think of. Because as a people, if we don't want to belong and live as a people, we'll just go our separate ways. Because if we keep on trying to manage Nigeria, that is where we bring the monster. The people become monster because there is no way you are able to manage their life. Their life has no meaning. A graduate who their parents spend millions of naira, you know how it is to pay money for school fees of children now, and after graduation they don't have job. So it is painful. It is very, very painful. And that is why you are seeing in every other African country, you see revolution coming. The military taking over power. They are not doing it. It's not a coincidence. It's something that is a pre-plan. It has been dictated into them. They know when you want freedom, you don't just go and sleep. And that is what is coming. It will take over Africa. We have to begin to question our existence. The white man has come and, civilized us, take everything, take our dignity as a people. But how do we restore it? Our good hands, our good brains are in America. They are in England. They don't come back here. When they spend that money and go to England to study, after graduation, they will employ them there. Use them, use their what is left of them and bring them back. At their old age, they will come back here, they cannot do anything. So if we begin to have a government that is functional, that has the will of the people at heart, you will see our best brains will be brought back to the country. Our brain in terms of technology, in terms of science, in terms of medicine,
Yes.
they will all come back. And you will begin to see our people will begin to prosper. So if the government at the center is nothing to write home about, there is no way. We are just dreaming. Look at the case of Nnamdi Kanu. The same ECOWAS body that are very, very much fast to go and fight Niger. These are the same regional court of ECOWAS body that has been sitting on the case of Nnamdi Kanu for many years. And they have their headquarters in Abuja. So you see this body, that our regional body that we are part of, and we are those sponsoring this body. You see that because of corruption, the corruption has also eaten deep into these sectors. And you see them, they are not functioning. If ECOWAS is truly a strong body that has the interests of Africans at heart, they will not be there. These queues are taking place. So that is where we are. And let me tell you, if I wake up tomorrow and they say the army has taken over in Nigeria, it will not be a surprise to me, because we are the ones who are pondering ourselves into problem.
Are you saying the case of Nnamdi Kanu incarceration is government, the federal government has hand in it? Like the Supreme Court have discharged him?
Yes, who is keeping him? The DSS. The DSS is under the executive. The CSS is not just, it's a Department of State Security.
Yeah, my wonderful people, now don't hear them. What you go do, or what Nigeria go do, take change in Nigeria? Do you think that many people have not tried this in past and it never worked? So drop your own solution in the comment section. So mine is let everybody go in separate way. That will be a solution. Drop yours in comment section.